Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the latest Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, and in this video I'm going to show you 15 powerful features of this tablet, and I will also show you how it is different from other Samsung S series tablets. So let's start. The first feature is about multitasking. For example, you are taking your notes and in the meantime you also want to visit a website. So you can open your internet browser in split screen and now you can scroll through this website, and in the meantime you can also take your notes. The next thing is you can also drag content from this website to your notes. For example, I want this image inside my notes, so I will press and hold it like this, and then I can easily drag and drop this image to my notes, and later if you want you can also edit this image as well. The next thing is same way you can also drag text from this website to your notes. So for example, I want this text inside my notes. First of all, I will start selecting this text. So I will select it till here, and then I will press and hold it like this, and I can easily drag and drop this text to my notes as well. You can also edit this text inside your notes. The next thing is you can also resize these apps as well. So here you can see I can easily resize these apps. I can also change the position of these apps. So I will select these three dots, and from here I can easily change the position of these apps, and I can also make my favorite app combo. The next thing is if you want to open another app, you can open it in pop-up view. So for example, I want to open gallery app. I will take out this edge panel, and then from here I will drag and drop this gallery app here in the middle, and then you can see this app will open in pop-up view. Now let's talk about today's sponsor, the LitONES H01 desk lamp. I recently added this lamp to my desk setup, and honestly it has already made a huge difference in how comfortable it is to work, especially late at night. This lamp has some really interesting features that make it stand out, so let me show you what it can do. The first feature of this lamp is its adjustable color temperature. You can switch between multiple warm and cool tones depending on what you are doing. Warm light for relaxed reading or late night use, and cool white light for focus, typing and productivity. It's perfect for creating the right atmosphere for studying and working. The second feature is the control wheel, which lets you easily adjust the lamp to change the brightness or color temperature. Just rotate the wheel to adjust the settings and press to turn it on or off. This will be really helpful for quickly getting the perfect lighting for reading or video calls. The third feature is double-sided lighting. The light illuminates both the front and back, gives your desk a soft balanced glow with minimal shadows. So it's perfect for reading books, writing notes, or using a tablet for long sessions. You can also swing the arm and rotate the lamp fully, which lets you position it anywhere, higher, lower, closer, or wider depending on your task. It's perfect whether you are writing, drawing, reading, filming overhead shots, or doing online meetings. Now I will show you its effects in a completely dark room. So I will turn off all the lights, and here you can see the final result. This makes late night reading or video calls much more comfortable and keeps your eyes relaxed even during long hours. So if you spend a lot of time reading, taking notes, doing video calls, or creating content, the LitONES H01 desk lamp can seriously upgrade your setup. With its comfortable light, flexible adjustment, and clean minimal design, it's the perfect companion for your desk. You can check the links in the description with a discount code for extra savings. Now let's continue with the video. The next feature is about Gemini for explaining different things. For example, I open this website and now I want more explanation about this image. So I will use Gemini. So first of all, I will press and hold this home button. It will open Gemini, and then from here you can see we have this option of ask about screen. So I will select it. It will take a screenshot for this page, and now you can ask about anything. For example, explain this image. So I send my prompt. Now Gemini will start analyzing my prompt and then it will start generating a response for me. You just have to wait for a few seconds.
The image you provided is a detailed anatomical illustration of the human wrist and hand, highlighting.
So here you can see Gemini will start explaining this image. Now if you want, you can also convert it into tabular form. So you can send another prompt, convert this information into tabular form. So here you can see Gemini organize all this information in tabular form. And now if you want, you can also share it in other platforms as well. The next thing is, if you want to use ChatGPT instead of Gemini, so you have to double press this side key. So I will double press this side key like this and then it will open ChatGPT and here you can ask about anything. The next feature is about Smart Select tool. So you can capture any specific part of your screen using Smart Select tool. So for example, I want to capture this part. First of all, I will take out this H panel and here we have this Smart Select tool. So I will open it and then you just have to make your selection. So for example, I will select this image. So I will circle around it like this and here you can see the image is selected. Now you can do a lot of things. You can also download this image, you can share it and you can also pin it to your screen. So I will select this pin icon so the image will be pinned to my screen. Now if I go back from this app and here you can see the same image is now available on my screen. The next feature is about adding whole website to your notes. For example, I open this website and now I want this whole website to my notes. So first of all, I will open my notes in split screen and here you can see at bottom we have this option of link and whole page. So I will select this whole page option and then it will start adding this whole website to my notes. You just have to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see the whole website is now added to my notes with same images and same text as well. Now if you want, you can also write on this website. So you can use this pen tool and then you can start writing on this website. You can also use this highlighter tool if you want to highlight anything inside this website. Now I will make it full screen inside my notes. The next thing is you can also use page sorter option as well. So you have to select this page sorter option and it will show you all the pages for your website. Now you can jump to any page. So here you can see you can easily jump to any page inside this website. You can also add or delete page. So you have to select these three dots and here we have this option of add page. So I will select this add page option. Then you can select the template and here you can see after this page a new page has been added and then you can start working on this page. Same way you can also delete any page as well. The next feature is about Samsung ecosystem. So whatever I copy on one Samsung device, it will also be available on my Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. For example, I will take out this H panel and here you can see the clipboard is currently empty. Now for example, on this device, I will open a website and I like this image and I want to copy this image. So I will press and hold it like this and then I will select copy image option. So I will select copy image. So now the same image will be available on my Galaxy Tab A11. Now this time if I take out this H panel and here you can see the same image is available over here. Now if you want, you can also add it to your notes. So I will open my notes. I will take out this H panel. I will press and hold it like this and I can easily drag and drop this image to my notes. And later if you want, you can also edit this image as well. You can also use this tablet for book reading, but if you want to read for a longer period of time, you can use Eye Comfort Shield option. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to bring down this quick settings panel and here we have this Eye Comfort Shield option. So I will press and hold it like this. It will open Eye Comfort Shield settings. First of all, you have to turn it on from here and then from here you can set the color temperature. So for example, I will set the color temperature to maximum and now I will open this book reading app and here you can see now I can read for a longer period of time using Eye Comfort Shield option. The next feature is about taking notes on videos. For example, you are having a lecture or you are watching some kind of video and you want to take notes in the meantime. So just take out this taskbar, and then from here you can drag and drop this note taking app in pop-up view, and now you can start taking your notes and you can also watch your video. But you can see this note taking app is blocking the view behind. So what you can do, you can select this blue bar, and then from here you can use this split screen option. Now you can watch this video, and in the meantime you can also take your notes as well. You can also do a screen recording of your note taking and your video. So you just have to bring down this quick settings panel, and then here we have this screen recorder option. So you can select it, and then from here you can select start recording. So after this countdown, your screen recording will start. The next thing is, for example, if you want to highlight anything important on your screen, you can use this pen tool from this screen recorder, and now you can highlight anything important on your screen. Once you finish with your screen recording, you can select this stop option. Your screen recording will save to your gallery, and later you can access it, you can edit it, and you can share it. Now let's talk about the pen support. So guys, please note that this tablet does not support the Samsung S Pen. I bought this third-party stylus from Amazon. The brand name is Dogen, and while it does work on the Tab A11, there is a noticeable delay because Samsung doesn't provide active S Pen support for this model. I've added the link for this stylus in the description below in case you are interested. So if you want the full S Pen experience with proper active pen features, you will need to go for Samsung S series tablets. As you can see here, while I am drawing in the Samsung notes, there is a visible gap between the pen tip and the line. So in my recommendation, if your main purpose is taking notes or drawing, you should go for Samsung S series tablets. For example, you can go for Samsung S11 series, S10 series, S9 series, S8 series, or you can also go for Samsung Tab S6 Lite. The next feature is about modes. So if I bring down this quick settings panel, and then from here I will select modes, and then I will select study mode. So everything will become grayscale. Restriction applies on apps. Do not disturb feature will turn on, and I can only use apps that are related to my studies. So this will be really helpful for me to focus on my studies. Now if you want to go back to normal tablet mode, you can bring down this quick settings panel again, and then you can switch to normal tablet mode as well. The next feature is about Samsung Math Solver. So I will open my notes, and here for example I will write this equation: 3 raised to the power 2 plus 5 multiply by 2, and then I will write equal sign. So after writing this equal sign, Samsung Math Solver will automatically generate this answer. Now if you want, you can also convert it into a neat math equation. So what you have to do, you have to use this selection tool, and then you have to make your selection. So I will select this equation, and then here you can see we have this option of convert to maths. So I will select it, and then I will select convert. So here you can see it will convert this math equation into a neat math equation, and now you can use it in other platforms as well. The next feature is about adding text to your notes. For example, you are scrolling through a website and you find some interesting information and you want to save that information to your notes. First of all, you have to start selecting the text. So I will select this text till here. Then it will show you this menu on top, and here we have this option of add to note. So I will select this add to note option. It will add the same text inside your notes, and here you can see the same text is available inside my notes. Now if you want, you can also edit this text, and it will also show you this link on top. The next thing is you can also add this text to different AI apps to ask about anything. So first of all, you have to start selecting the text. So I will select this text till here, and then from here you have to select these 3 dots, and here you can see we have a lot of options. So you can ask about it from Perplexity, you can use Claude, you can also use Chatgpt. For example, I will select ask Claude. It will add that text to Claude, and then you can ask about anything. The next feature is about voice recording. For example, you have a lecture going on and you want to do the voice recording of that lecture. So what you can do, you can select this plus icon and then from here you can select voice recording. It will start recording the voice and in the meantime you can take your notes. Once you finish with your recording, you can select this stop option. So your recording will automatically attach to your notes and later you can use it. You can also use this tablet for PDF annotations. So for that you have to use Samsung Notes and here we have this PDF plus icon. So you can select it and then you can select your PDF file. So for example, I want to annotate this PDF file and you can see the PDF file is now open inside my notes. Now if you want, you can use different tools to annotate this PDF file. You can also create shapes. So for example, I want to create a neat shape. I will just draw and hold my pen and here you can see it will convert it into a neat shape. You can also use this highlighter tool. You can also add or delete any page. So for that you have to use this page sorter option and it will show you all the pages for this PDF. Now if you want to delete any page, you have to select these three dots and here we have this delete option. You can also add a new page as well. Now let's talk about missing features. So this tablet does not support palm rejection. For example, if I rest my hand on this tablet and now if I try to write or draw anything, you can see I am unable to write or draw. It will also make spot on your screen. The next thing is there are a lot of missing features inside Samsung Notes. For example, there are no AI tools, there is no handwritten alignment tool, there is no handwritten to text tool. You cannot transcribe your audio as well. So outside Samsung Notes, there is no Samsung Dex, there is no Air Command tool, there is no Drawing Assist tool as well. And you can only open two apps in split screen. So if you want to access all of these features, you have to go for Samsung S series tablets. In the end of this video, I just want to talk a little about the LitONES H01 desk lamp. I've been using it recently on my study desk and honestly it has made a huge difference when I am studying late at night or preparing for exams. Whether I am reading textbooks, taking notes or reviewing lectures, having proper lighting really helps me to stay focused for longer. And now I will turn off all the lights in my room to show you the illumination performance in complete darkness. So here you can see the result. When I switch on the LitONES H01 light, you can clearly see its maximum brightness. It reaches peak output and lights up the entire room. What I really like about it is the flexibility. You can adjust the brightness and switch between warm and cool light depending on what you are studying. Warm light is great for relaxed reading, while cool white light helps me to stay sharp when I am writing notes or solving practice questions. Plus, the soft shadow-free light keeps my eyes comfortable even after hours of study sessions. So if you are a student or someone who spends long hours reading or taking notes, I definitely recommend checking the link in the description below and don't forget to use the discount code for extra savings. So this is for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.